उसे बहुत बुरी तरह से जुकाम हो गया है। She has got a stinking cold. She has got a stinking cold. जाकर मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी लाओ प्लीज। Go and get me a glass of water please. Go and get me a glass of water please. मायूस मत हो। Don't get desperate. Don't get desperate. बाद में याद दिलाना। Remind me later. Remind me later. किसे अच्छा नहीं लगता? Who doesn't like? Who doesn't like? मैंने सुना नहीं उसने क्या कहा। I didn't hear what she said. I didn't hear what she said. काम पूरा करो। Complete the work. Complete the work. एक टैक्सी बुलाओ। Call a taxi. Call a taxi. आग से चिंगारी निकल रही है, पास मत जाओ। Sparks are shooting out from the fire. Don't go closer. Sparks are shooting out from the fire. Don't go closer. क्या आप कभी प्रयागराज गए हैं? Have you ever been to प्रयागराज? Have you ever been to प्रयागराज? क्या तुम्हें कार चलाना आता है? Do you know how to drive a car? Do you know how to drive a car? तुम लोगों ने मेरी चीखें नहीं सुनी? Didn't you people hear my screams? Didn't you people hear my screams? क्या तुम्हें अंदर से आवाज नहीं सुनाई देती? Don't you hear a voice from within? Don't you hear a voice from within? मेरी नकल मत करो। Don't imitate me. Don't imitate me. इस घर को क्या हो गया है? What's wrong with this house? What's wrong with this house? क्या बकवास कर रहा है तू? What nonsense are you talking? What nonsense are you talking? जल्दी करो। Make it fast. Make it fast. पागल मत बनो। Don't be silly. Don't be silly. मुझे अपने कपड़े धोने हैं। I have to wash my clothes. I have to wash my clothes. वो बीमार पड़ गई। She fell ill. She fell ill. मुझे जगा देना। Wake me up. Wake me up. आपका काम हो सकता है पर एक कंडीशन पर। Your work might be done but on one condition. Your work might be done but on one condition. अलार्म लगा दो। Set the alarm. Set the alarm. बस इतना ही मैं कर सकता था। It was the last I could do. It was the last I could do. बर्तन लेकर जाओ, सिंक में डाल दो। Take the dishes to the sink. Take the dishes to the sink. बाद में वापस आना। Come back later. Come back later. थोड़ी चीनी खरीद लो। Buy some sugar. Buy some sugar. उसमें कुछ खाया नहीं पर थोड़ा सा पानी पिया था। He didn't eat anything but he drank a little water. He didn't eat anything but he drank a little water. वो करो जो तुम्हें करना है। Do what you have to do. Do what you have to do. मैं तुम्हें 2 साल बाद देख रहा हूँ। I am seeing you after 2 years. I am seeing you after 2 years. दुखी मत हो। Don't be sad. Don't be sad. पता नहीं। I don't know. I don't know. 50 लाख रुपए कहाँ से लाते? Where will we get rupees 50 lakhs from? Where will we get rupees 50 lakhs from? लाओ मैं लिए चलता हूँ। Let me carry this for you. Let me carry this for you. ये कमल की कार है, लेकिन यह यहाँ क्यों है? It's Kamal's car. But why is it here? It's Kamal's car. But why is it here? मेरे पास मेरा फोन नहीं था। I hadn't got my phone with me. I hadn't got my phone with me. कोई नहीं जानता। No one knows. No one knows. थप्पड़ पड़ेगा। You will be slapped. You will be slapped. पेन बंद करके नीचे रख दो. Cap the pen and put down. Cap the pen and put down. अब जो नंबर आया है उसे ब्लैक बोर्ड पर लिखो. Now the number you have got, write on the blackboard. Now the number you have got, write on the blackboard. उन्होंने उतना नहीं किया जितना उन्होंने बोला था कि करेंगे. They didn't do as much as they said they would. They didn't do as much as they said they would. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? मुझे नहीं पता कि तुमने चीटिंग की है. Do you think I don't know that you have cheated? Do you think I don't know that you have cheated? मेरी गर्दन जकड़ी हुई है. I have got a stiff neck. I have got a stiff neck. क्लास के बाद भी रुके रहना. Stay behind after class. Stay behind after class. जैसे तुम्हें अच्छा लगे. As you please. As you please. मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है. I am speechless. I am speechless. तुम मेरी मोटरसाइकिल गिरवी रख सकते हो. You can have my motorcycle as collateral. You can have my motorcycle as collateral. मैंने कल अजीब सा सपना देखा. I had a strange dream last night. I had a strange dream last night. कोई कुछ कड़वी बात बोलता है तो मुझे दिल पर लगती है. If someone says something critical, I take it to heart. If someone says something critical, I take it to heart. मुद्दे की बात पे आ और बता करना क्या है. Come to the point and tell me what to do. Come to the point and tell me what to do. शर्त लगानी है क्या? Want to bet? Want to bet? दरवाज़ा अंदर से बंद है. The door is locked from the inside. The door is locked from the inside. मुझे घर पे बुलाकर खुद गायब हो गए आप. After calling me home, you have vanished. After calling me home, you have vanished. तू क्या बताएगा उसे? मैं बताता हूँ उसे. What will you tell her? I will tell her. What will you tell her? I will tell her. मुझे ये काम करना है. I have to do this work. I have to do this work. किसने भेजा है उसे? Who has sent him? Who has sent him? उससे नफरत मत करो. Don't hate her. Don't hate her. मुझे थकाओ मत. Don't tire me. Don't tire me. उस तरफ से प्लीज. That way please. That way please. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. अकेले मत टहलो. Don't walk alone. Don't walk alone. मैं तुमसे छिपाना नहीं चाहती. I don't want to hide from you. I don't want to hide from you. वो बीमार है. She is ill. She is ill. मसाले मिला लो. Mix the spices. Mix the spices. अच्छा हुआ मटका टूट गया. It's good that the pot broke. It's good that the pot broke. मैं सब समझ गया. I have understood everything. I have understood everything. जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. Tit for tat. Tit for tat. चाची जी बीमार है. Aunt is sick. Aunt is sick. किसी और को ढूंढ लो. Find someone else. Find someone else. कुछ भी हो सबका दोष मुझे ही दिया जाता है. I get blamed for all kinds of things. I get blamed for all kinds of things. इसे ले जाओ. Take it away. Take it away. कृपया लीजिए. Have it please. Have it please. ऐसा दोबारा बोलने की जुर्रत मत करना. Don't you dare say that again. Don't you dare say that again. खाने के तुरंत बाद नहीं लेटो. Don't lie down right after eating. Don't lie down right after eating. दो नावों पर पैर मत रखो. Don't ride two horses at once. Don't ride two horses at once. तुम उससे कब कब मिलते हो? How often do you meet her? How often do you meet her? क्या तुम मेरा एक छोटा सा काम कर सकते हो प्लीज? Could you do me a little favor please? Could you do me a little favor please? वह इतना मूर्ख कैसे हो सकता है? How could he be so stupid? How could he be so stupid? आपकी टेंशन आ गई है, देखिए उधर. Your tension has arrived. Look over there. Your tension has arrived. Look over there. पासवर्ड डालो. Enter the password. Enter the password. तुम इस तरह बिहेव क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you behaving like this? Why are you behaving like this? मुझे नहीं पता कि इसका उपयोग कैसे करना है. I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to use it. हड़बड़ाओ मत. Don't make haste. Don't make haste. हिलना मत. जहां हो वहीं खड़े रहना. Don't move. Stay right where you are. Don't move. Stay right where you are. मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है. I love this. I love this. उसे प्यार देना. Give him love. Give him love. अपना बैग लगाओ. Pack your bag. Pack your bag. क्या हम पार्टी में जा रहे हैं? Are we going to the party? Are we going to the party? वरना मैं कब का घर आ जाता. Otherwise I could have come earlier. Otherwise I could have come earlier. आजकल ज़्यादा भूख नहीं लगती. I don't have much of an appetite these days. I don't have much of an appetite these days. आज से चोरी चकारी बंद. No more theft or felony from today. No more theft or felony from today. नहीं, ज़्यादा नहीं. No, not much. No, not much. इसे लिख लो. Note it down. Note it down. मैं यहाँ आते आते खो गया था. I got lost while coming here. I got lost while coming here. पार्टी कैसी रही कल रात की? How was the party last night? How was the party last night? इस काम के लिए रोहन चलेगा. Rohan will do for this work. Rohan will do for this work. वह अपना होमवर्क करने में लगा हुआ है. He is busy with his homework. He is busy with his homework. मैं इस पर ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं फूकना चाहती. I don't want to splurge on this. I don't want to splurge on this. मुफ्त की राय देना आसान है, खुद उस राय पर अमल करना मुश्किल. It's easy to offer free advice, tough to follow. It's easy to offer free advice, tough to follow. हर चीज़ हर किसी को मिले ये ज़रूरी नहीं है. It's not necessary for everyone to get everything. It's not necessary for everyone to get everything. होगा, लेकिन रीना की जान से बढ़के नहीं है. It would be, but it's not more than Reena's life. It would be, but it's not more than Reena's life. ज़्यादा भोले मत बनो. Don't act cute. Don't act cute. कोई नहीं आया है. Nobody has come. Nobody has come. अपने पिता से पूछो. Ask your father. Ask your father. हम पेज नंबर 37 पर थे. We were on page number 37. We were on page number 37. यहाँ से दूर. Far from here. Far from here. पेमेंट कर दो. Make the payment. Make the payment. कौन बता सकता है आज कौन सा दिन है? Who can tell me what day it is today? Who can tell me what day it is today? कोल्ड ड्रिंक नहीं है, पानी चलेगा? There's no cold drink. Will the water do? There is no cold drink. Will the water do? जाकर खेलो. Go and play. Go and play. आप गलत कह रहे हैं. You are wrong. You are wrong. क्या आपको पता है हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Do you know where we are going? Do you know where we are going? और साफ बोलो. Speak more clearly. Speak more clearly. इससे कम नहीं चलेगा. No less than this will do. No less than this will do. टालो मत. Don't put off. Don't put off. जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ. Get dressed fast. Get dressed fast. काम ही इतना है, क्या करूं? There is so much work. What can I do? There is so much work. What can I do? वो बेकरार है. She is desperate. She is desperate. अपना हुनर दिखाओ. Show your talent. Show your talent. चुप रहो. तुम्हारी वजह से मैं भूखा मर रहा हूँ. Keep quiet. Because of you, I am starving. Keep quiet. Because of you, I am starving. मैं एक कंपनी में काम किया करती थी. I used to work at a company. I used to work at a company. बस सोचो कि तुम्हारा बुरा वक्त चल रहा है. Just think that you are going through a bad phase. Just think that you are going through a bad phase. अंधेरे में मत पड़ो, आंखों पर जोर पड़ेगा. Don't read in the dark, you will strain your eyes. Don't read in the dark, you will strain your eyes. अगर मुझे पर्याप्त नींद नहीं मिलती तो मेरा सर दर्द होता है. If I don't get enough sleep, I get a headache. If I don't get enough sleep, I get a headache. चीनी मिलाओ. Mix the sugar. Mix the sugar. शाम को फोन करना, मैं घर पर रहूंगा. Call me this evening, I will be at home. Call me this evening, I will be at home. मैं ये गर्मी और नहीं झेल सकता. I can't put up with this hot weather. I can't put up with this hot weather. क्या तुम कल रात उसके कमरे में गए थे? वह बाहर तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा है. He is waiting outside for you. He is waiting outside for you. उसकी किसी से नहीं पटती. She doesn't get along with anyone. She doesn't get along with anyone. लगता है पापा ऑफिस से आ गए हैं. I think Dad's back from the office. I think Dad's back from the office. मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning English. I am learning English. मीरा आजकल मायके में है. मीरा is in her paternal home these days. मीरा is in her paternal home these days. अगर तुम फ्री हो तो फोन कर लो. If you are free, call me up. If you are free, call me up. अपनी जैकेट खोलो. Undo your jacket. Undo your jacket. आपके कितने बच्चे हैं? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? उसने काम अपने आप किया. He did the work on his own. He did the work on his own. विकल्प ही नहीं है. चलना पड़ेगा. There is no option. It will have to do. There is no option. It will have to do. सोचना इस बारे में. Think about it. Think about it. घंटी बज गई, लिखना बंद करो अब. The bell has rung. Stop writing now. The bell has rung. Stop writing now. मैं आपके लिए अपनी जान देने को तैयार हूँ. I'm ready to lay my life for you. I'm ready to lay my life for you. ये कोई ऐसे वैसे लोग नहीं हैं. They are not just ordinary people. They are not just ordinary people. तुम ऐसा काम कैसे कर सकते हो? How could you do such a deed? How could you do such a deed? उसकी आंखें निकल आई. Her eyes popped. Her eyes popped. 2 बजे. At 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock. कौन? Who is this? Who is this? मीरा इतनी पतली हो गई है कि उसके गाल पिचक गए हैं. मीरा has become so thin that her cheeks are pinched. मीरा has become so thin that her cheeks are pinched. मैंने कदमों की आवाज सुनी. I heard footfalls. I heard footfalls. आपको व्याख्यान कैसा लगा? How did you find the lecture? How did you find the lecture? मैं काम पर कार से जाता हूँ. I go to the office by car. I go to the office by car. चाय छान देना. Strain the tea. Strain the tea. पलट के दोनों तरफ फ्राई कर लो. Turn over and fry on both sides. Turn over and fry on both sides. वो ज्यादातर होमवर्क किए ही नहीं रहता. He is not done with his homework mostly. He is not done with his homework mostly. ऐसा मत करो. Don't do this. Don't do this. क्या ये जूते 18 नंबर में हैं? Do you have these shoes in size 18? Do you have these shoes in size 18? मुझे मत छुओ. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. क्या ये मुश्किल नहीं है? Isn't it tough? Isn't it tough? मेरी नाक पूरी तरह जाम है. My nose is all stuffed up. My nose is all stuffed up. बड़ा खुराफाती दिमाग है आपका. Such a mischievous mind you have got. Such a mischievous mind you have got. आप कितने समय तक रहेंगे? How long will you be staying? How long will you be staying? उसकी नब्ज चल रही है या नहीं? Is her pulse beating or not? Is her pulse beating or not? क्या तुम कभी भी समय पर आओगे? Will you ever be on time? Will you ever be on time? थोड़ा अचार मिल सकता है क्या? Can I get some pickle? Can I get some pickle? ऑफिस जाते समय रोहन को भी स्कूल छोड़ देना. Drop Rohan off at school on the way to your office. Drop Rohan off at school on the way to your office. मुझे लगा कि उसने कुछ और कहा. I thought he said something else. I thought he said something else. नहीं, मैंने नहीं सुना. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. आधा घंटा हो गया. It's been half an hour. It's been half an hour. सब्जी में नमक कम है. There is less salt in the vegetable. There is less salt in the vegetable. एक चीज चुनो. Choose one thing. Choose one thing. आपके काम में कोई गलती नहीं है. There is no flaw in your work. There is no flaw in your work. वो चश्मा लगाती है. She wears glasses. She wears glasses. उनके सामने मेरा नाम लिया था क्या आपने? Did you mention my name to him? Did you mention my name to him? कपड़े प्रेस कर दो. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. पता नहीं आज जाने क्या हुआ होगा. I have no idea what might have happened today. I have no idea what might have happened today. रीना को तैयार करो और उसे बाहर लाओ. Get Reena ready and bring her out. Get Reena ready and bring her out. नहीं, अभी नहीं. No, not yet. No, not yet. वह किसकी ओर आ रहा है? Who is he coming towards? Who is he coming towards? इसे बंद करो. Turn it off. Turn it off. बस ले लो. Just take it. Just take it. तुम्हें क्या खाए जा रहा है? What's eating you? What's eating you? इसे भर दो. Fill it up. Fill it up. कोई आपकी बात सुने या ना सुने, ये जरूर सुनेगा. Whether anyone listens to you or not, he certainly will. Whether anyone listens to you or not, he certainly will. क्या आप नाच सकते हैं? Can you dance? Can you dance? तुम हमसे पैसे क्यों मांग रहे हो? Why are you asking us for the money? Why are you asking us for the money? ये चलेगा? It will do. It will do. बिजली गिरी है. Lightning has struck. Lightning has struck. आपकी विशेषता क्या है? What's your specialty? What's your specialty? तब मुझे तुम जैसे आलसी लोगों को नहीं झेलना पड़ेगा. Then I won't have to tolerate lazy people like you. Then I won't have to tolerate lazy people like you. कोशिश करते रहो. Keep on trying. Keep on trying. खाना परोस दो. Serve the meal. Serve the meal. कितने पैसे दे रहा है कमल तुम्हें? How much money is Kamal giving you? How much money is Kamal giving you? तो वह तुम्हारी तरफ दौड़कर क्यों आ रहा है? Then why is he coming running towards you? Then why is he coming running towards you? मुझे घर ले चलो. Take me home. Take me home. हो सकता है हमें घर बेचना पड़ जाए, लेकिन मैं आशा करती हूँ कि इसकी नौबत ही ना आए. We may have to sell the house, but I hope it won't come to that. We may have to sell the house, but I hope it won't come to that. अगर मैं कोई गाना सुबह सुन लूँ तो वो पूरा दिन मेरे दिमाग में घूमता रहता है. If I hear a song in the morning, it stays with me all day. If I hear a song in the morning, it stays with me all day. मैं न्यूज़पेपर रोज़ पढ़ता हूँ. I read the newspaper every day. I read the newspaper every day. कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? वो सबसे बड़ी है. She is the eldest of all. She is the eldest of all. उसे मत डांटो. Don't scold him. Don't scold him. मैं उसे और नहीं झेल सकता. I can't put up with him any longer. I can't put up with him any longer. देर मत लगाना. Don't be late. Don't be late. उन्हें फिर से धो लो. Wash them again. Wash them again. लाइन में बने रहें. Hold the line. Hold the line. बहुत अच्छी. It was great. It was great. जब तक कुछ अचीव ना कर लो वापस मत आना. Don't return until you achieve something. Don't return until you achieve something. मैं ऐसा कर दूंगी सच में. I mean it. I mean it. मैं बालों में कंघी करने से पहले बाल नम करती हूँ. I damp down my hair before combing it. I damp down my hair before combing it. कितना कुछ है बात करने को. There is so much to talk about. There is so much to talk about. ये लीजिए आपकी चाय. Here's your tea. Here's your tea. चाबी का गुच्छा कहाँ है? Where is the bunch of keys? Where is the bunch of keys? जरा बर्तन धोने में हाथ बटा दो प्लीज. Give a hand with the washing up please. Give a hand with the washing up please. कौन सा लेना है? Which to take? Which to take? इतना कुछ हो चुका है. मुझे नहीं लगता कि अब सब आएंगे. So much has happened. I don't think all will come. So much has happened. I don't think all will come. कई बार नतीजा वैसा नहीं निकलता जैसा आपने सोच रखा होता है. At times, the result might not turn out exactly as you had expected. At times, the result may not turn out exactly as you had expected. नहीं, नहीं लगी है. No, I am not. No, I am not. हर्ज ही क्या है? What's the harm? What's the harm? अगर फ्री नहीं हो तो कोई बात नहीं. If you are not free, then never mind. If you are not free, then never mind. अपनी किताब लाओ. Get your book. Get your book. मैं बता दूंगा. I will tell you. I will tell you. संपर्क में रहना. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. तुम्हें अपने आप पर शर्म आनी चाहिए। यू शुड बी अशेम्ड ऑफ योर सेल्फ। यू शुड बी अशेम्ड ऑफ योर सेल्फ। तुम्हें पता है दिवाली पर क्या हुआ? यू नो वट हैड हैपेंड ऑन दिवाली। यू नो वट हैड हैपेंड ऑन दिवाली। मेरे हाथ की नस चढ़ी हुई है। आई हैव गॉट अ क्रैम्प इन माई हैंड। आई हैव गॉट अ क्रैम्प इन माई हैंड। गाना सुनाओ। सिंग अ सॉन्ग। सिंग अ सॉन्ग। मैंने तो कुछ कहा ही नहीं। आई डिड नॉट से अ वर्ड। आई डिड नॉट से अ वर्ड। क्या ये भारी है? इज दिस हैवी? इज दिस हैवी? कब से कब तक? फ्रॉम वेन टू वेन? फ्रॉम वेन टू वेन? उसे काम पर मत रखो। डोंट हायर हर। डोंट हायर हर। हम पार्टी में मजे कर रहे थे। वी वर हैविंग फन एट द पार्टी। वी वर हैविंग फन एट द पार्टी। वो भले घर का लड़का है। ही कम्स फ्रॉम अ डिसेंट फैमिली। ही कम्स फ्रॉम अ डिसेंट फैमिली। एक घूंट पी लो। टेक अ सिप। टेक अ सिप। हाँ, बहुत गुस्सा। यस, रियली एंग्री। यस, रियली एंग्री। मैंने भी सोचा जाने दो, मेरा बहस करने का मन नहीं था। आई थॉट टू लेट दैट गो। आई डिडंट फील लाइक आर्ग्यूइंग। I thought to let that go. I didn't feel like arguing.